Join me, guys. Let's prepare meatball for lunch for my family. And this is really nice. Very yummy, as you can see. So without wasting much time, let's dive into it. So here I have 1 kg of grounded beef. Then I added spices. So the spices: curry, thyme, rosemary, season powder, salt, garlic powder, just name it. Okay, so I just mix everything very well. So after that, it's time to roll out our meatball. So like so. So I'm going to repeat same process until I'm done. So now I'm done rolling out all the meat. I'm going to be adding some vegetable oil to my pot. So I will allow it to heat up a little bit. Then I will just place all the meatball inside, like so. Hello guys, welcome to Vivian Recipe. If you are new to this channel, you are highly welcome. All we do here is cooking, and if you love what you are seeing, please kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more updates. To all our returning subscribers, thank you and God bless you all. I really love and appreciate you all so much. Thank you guys. God bless you. So now I'm done frying the meatball. I'm going to remove that. So the next step is to fry the Irish potato with the carrot as well. I'm just going to fry it for few minutes. Just for a few minutes. So while that is frying, I'm going to bring my tomato paste. Yeah, just 2 spoons of tomato paste. Then I will be adding some chopped minced pepper. So I added water. So to the Irish potato and carrot, I add green and red bell pepper, onions as well. So I'm going to transfer them to my baking pan now. I will also be adding green peas. So now it's time to add our mixed pepper and tomato paste in the meatball. So I'm going to bake this. Tada! It's back. This was 40 minutes later. Look at that. Looking tantalizing. Oh my god, it really came out really nice. Came out perfectly well, just the way I was expecting it. So the next step is to serve it with some white rice. Yeah guys. This really came out nice, guys. Really delicious. I love this. I love it. I love everything about this recipe. So guys, let me know what you think. Please leave your comments. Subscribe if you have not subscribed. God bless you for always stopping by. I appreciate you all, guys. Thank you so much. Stay tuned and remain blessed. See you soon in another video, guys. Bye for now.